In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input, Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, and Typing. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones, or click on the chosen one and adjust it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!